Hi students, this time we are going to design one more thing. So already bus topology completed. So now we are going with the star topology. How to do star topology? Now we will see. So in this session. So first of all, I want to take a new thing. Yes. So then after that I am taking a new file. So once you take a new file, so go to network devices and take a switch. Maybe the switch. So this is the switch. So here I am taking one switch. So some devices. So because it is a star topology, so the devices are connected. So n number of devices we can connect, depends upon the number of ports available. Whether it is a laptop or PC, that is no problem. So but I am connecting. So some devices here. So here like this. So this is one switch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So like this I am connecting. So 6 devices I connected here for a star topology. So but intermediate one is the switch. So here first of all I am going to connect the connections. So here there is no need of cross connection here because there is no number of switches. So directly you can connect. So Ethernet 0 to some port. So next here, from here to here also you need to connect every device. So fast Ethernet and some port 2. So this one also you connect with some fast Ethernet and this thing port 3. So like that you connect all the things. So number of ports available for the device switch. Okay, so next, so then you need to connect. So this one with this. Okay. So once these all are connected, so now we need to give the IP addresses. So the IP addresses, how to give? So simply click on this and desktop config IP. So here 192.168.1.1. Okay. So here I am not giving any default gateway, so no need. Okay. So that is first one is completed. So desktop configuration completed. Okay. This is the second one during desktop. So 190.168.1.2. So then next this thing 190.168.1.3. So here if you want to show the labels like that, so IP address 190.168.1.1. Here this one I want to select and I want to copy. So paste. Okay, so this is the IP address. So this is this one IP address. This is this one's IP address. So next. Like this I am connecting all the devices with the different IP addresses. Okay. So this is 2. So this one is 3. So see inside also I need to change. So IP address 190.168.1.4. So subnet mask is same. So this is 4. Next, so this one 190.168.1.5. So here it is 5, and this one last. So 192.168.1.6. So total 6 devices are there. So I connected 6 devices. So this is 6. So now this thing is completed. Now I want to check whether this is working or not. So whenever I send some information through the port, see, so from this, select this thing from here to here. So from PC6 to PC2. Okay, successful. So the information is successful. So without giving this thing also we can do. Already we know simulation. So in our previous lesson we learned. So the simulation. So it will go to this thing, and the information is going for like that, and coming back, and acknowledgement. That is the acknowledgement. So already you know. So that thing. But one more way is also there. So how to do that thing? So always switch is sending some information, but that is invalid. Already you know. So this is completed. But now I want to check another way. So I don't want to do real time simulation now. So simulation I want to do real time. So in this real time, so I want to communicate 192.168.1.1 with so this one. Okay, how many devices are connected for this? So I want to check. To check that thing, go to command prompt. So as like in your system also like this. So go to command prompt and IP config. Okay, IP config. If you type IP config and press enter. So what is the thing? So here there is a subnet mask. The device IP is nothing but 192.168.1.1. My device IP is telling, and it is connected to a subnet, that is 255.255.255.1. So there is no default server for this. That means you don't have default gateway. So if you have default gateway, that is a different thing. So now without sending any information, I want to see whether this one is configured with 3. One is configured 192.168.1.1. that is nothing but PC0 is configured with PC3 or not. So to check that thing, ping. So what is the address of PC3? PC3 address is 192.168.1.3. Ping space 192.168.1.3. See, so it is sending certain information, and we got that thing. So the packet sent 4, received 4, loss is 0. So that means what? The system is working properly. Okay. So like this we can check anything. So what is the disadvantage here? If this router is failed, the communication entire thing is going to fail. So if individual link fails, there is no problem for the remaining communication in this system. Okay. So that is what you understand. Okay. That's it. Star topology is completed. Save and save. Star. Okay, done.